Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to add follow button on Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Facebook app. Okay, and tap on profile icon. Okay, your profile, and tap on three dot option. Scroll down, click on turn on professional mode. Click on turn on. Okay, and next. Okay, click on confirm and next. Skip and back. Click on your profile, then check, tap on three dot option and click on view as. Okay, and this profile and add to follow button on Facebook. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.